Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I'm using my Wade & Butcher Sheffield. Oh yeah. Barber's notch. This is horn, just beautiful. And that is a near wedge. Oh yeah. Very nice. And for our soap tonight, here we go. This is fine snake bite. Oh yeah. This is basically menthol. It is just marvelous. I really enjoy this one. And the menthol isn't strong enough to mess with your eyes, but it feels good. Yes, it does. Oh yeah. Now, I have had that blooming. We're going to pour off that bloom water and put that on as a pre-shave. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Already getting a menthol hit off of this one. Very nice. That is good. Now, for my brush tonight, here we go. This is my Omega 10098. That is a big premium Boar knot. It is just marvelous and really a lather machine. Go ahead and get that loaded up. Oh yeah. Hopefully you are having a wonderful weekend. Yeah, being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be with family and friends. Yeah, I'm telling you, that's what it's all about. It is. You know, making those connections and really being able to enjoy it. Yeah. Now, wow, I think we're just about there already. Yeah, so hopefully you are getting some good shaves. The world's treating you good and you're in high spirits as well. Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully, oh yeah, I think we're there. I think we're there already. Let's just go ahead and get that from around inside that bowl and put the rest of that up there. Oh yeah. Nice, 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 nice. There we go. That's good. Now, let's get our lather on. Oh yeah. Nice. That is so good. We're going to put a little more water in there. This is another cold water shave. So it's feeling good. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I hope you are well. I do. Oh, nice, 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 nice. That is, I think we're there already. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Yes, it is. Now, this is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, been a while. Been a while since I used this razor. Nice. That is good. Look, I got a little spot right there. Hit a bump. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. No worries. There we go. Now, yeah, nice. Nice. That's looking good. There we go. Get those two little spots. Nice. Yeah, stretching with that offhand, getting that 20 to 30 degree shaving angle. I do believe most people that are having a irritating shave are normally going to be shaving at an angle more like that. But if you put that razor flat on your face and then cock it up a spine width like that, that's going to be just about the proper angle, just like that. If you go all the way out here, that's too much of an angle and it's not going to be a comfortable shave. All right, you can maybe get away with that with a shavette, but with a straight razor you can't, okay? So if you're having uncomfortable shaves and irritation, look at that angle first, okay? That is going to be the best thing for you to do, because 9 times out of 10, it's more about that angle than anything else. All right. Oh, nice. Pass 1 complete. That's good. It is. Yeah, and that cold water feels good with that menthol. It's just marvelous. Yep. Now, get our lather on. Yeah. So this is going to be just a nice, relaxed, comfortable weekend shave. And I hope you are having nice, relaxed, comfortable shave. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. I'm going to just put a little more water on that, just like that. Oh, yeah. There you go. Now, find that. There we are. Now, it's time for the half pass. Now, for me, primarily, that is going to be against the grain normally, but I'm going to do the modified half pass this time. So what we're going to be doing is we're going across the grain here. It'll be against the grain in this area. This side will also be pretty much across the grain. All right. Nice. Get that razor cleaned off. Now here, the spine and the edge are both touching. Maybe holding that spine just slightly off of my neck. Nice. That's good. Now, switch hands. Nice. There we go. All right, there you are, another shave in the books. Yep. And let's get that rinsed off. See how we did. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is nice. Excellent, excellent shave. Yep. Oh, beautiful. And let's see, there was that little spot there. It's gone, no big deal. And we're still gonna go alum though. We are going alum. It's what I do because it helps close those pores. So this stuff is crystal and it is alum. This will help close your pores. It will also seal off any of those little bumps you might hit. And it's astringent and antiseptic, which is good. Good after a shave. Yep. After a good straight razor shave, this is brilliant. Yep. Get that going like that. Now, I just pat that dry. Like that. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water. And follow that with witch hazel. I'm going to be using Thayers, and this is the lemon witch hazel. It's just marvelous. It is. It's like lemonade for the face. It is so good. So we're going to get some of that going. Fantastic scent. And I am putting that everywhere. I am. Yes, I am. That is so good. Next, I'm going Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is fantastic and really helps moisturize that skin and get things going again. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh, nice, nice, nice. There you go. That is good. Now, we're going to top this shave off with Fine Snakebite. Oh yeah, this is the matching aftershave, and it is really good. It is. Again, basically alcohol and menthol. That's what's going on there. Oh, nice. Now the good part is the menthol doesn't mess with your eyes. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight razor strop talk. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.